At Mercedes-Benz India, we've been at the forefront of automotive innovation and technology. Our next step? To create a group of elite automotive experts by bridging the skill gap between theoretical knowledge and hands-on learning. ADAM, Advanced Diploma in Automotive Mechatronics. A comprehensive course, an incredible opportunity to learn about cars, with real cars, in the best of the workshops and lab facilities, with best of our professors and expert trainers.
We have always been known for our exceptional high-performing cars, but we also want to be known for empowering the next generation of automotive talent. And that can only happen by investing in people.
It's more than just a course. It's a transformation. Students don't just learn, they gain hands-on experience that connects truly and deeply with their aspirations.
Since 2006, ADAM has given wings to many automotive aspirants who have joined global companies and are showing promise at our own retail network.
The training methodology used at the ADAM course is self-reliant learning. The more curious you are, the more you learn. I started off with the ICE engines, but today I also train on EVs. The foundation of this course is such that it keeps you curious.
Everything I learned at ADAM, it's so relevant to the work I do here. It is like head start in my career.
I always knew what interested me the most. It was cars. If I have gotten this far, so can you, and ADAM is here to help.
We have already started shaping the future of the automotive industry in partnership with the best institutes across the country.
ADAM is designed to drive and build employable resources, empowering students to become skilled professionals who are ready to make their mark.
Which also means that once you join in an organization, your career path doesn't stop as being a technician or at a diagnostic engineer. So the landscape is huge, and that's again another way of entry to the automotive world.
We invite the aspiring engineers to take this step forward and join us in setting new standards for the future of luxury automotive service. ADAM, a vocational training initiative by Mercedes-Benz India.